Hi everybody, hope you're all keeping safe and hope you're all keeping well. So today I'm going to do some videos to post on YouTube, so ones that you can follow at home and get into a nice little exercise routine. Gorgeous day today, so I've come outside. You can hear the birds singing, there's some lambs in the background, you might hear a few cows as well, and a bit of traffic. Okay, it's all going to be happening. So this video is going to be warm up and stretches. The second video will be 6 exercises, so very similar to what you do in circuit training when you come into the hall. And then the third video is going to be cool down and stretches again. Okay, that's the idea, so hopefully it'll go to plan. I've lost my cameraman today, so my phone is sort of hanging off the fence, so if it is wobbling a little bit, it's just wobbling in the breeze. Okay, but stick with me. Okay, so everybody out of your chairs, let's get those feet hip width apart. Roll your shoulders back so you're standing nice and tall for me. Belly button pulled in slightly so we can work those core muscles. Remember to think about your breathing, so nice regular breaths, breathing in through the nose and releasing slowly out through the mouth. And ready? So we're going to start marching with the feet, getting the arms moving as well. So this is just the warm-up. All we want to do now is raise your heart rate gradually, warm up the body, get those muscles nice and warmed, get some fluid into the joints, get you ready for when you go on to the main video. So we're going to start with the shoulders, and we're going to start rolling those shoulders backwards. So nice circular movements, regular breaths, so keeping those feet moving, remember. And let's get one more backwards roll done with the shoulders, and then we're going to take them forwards. So remember, you're breathing nice regular breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. One more forwards, and relax those shoulders for me. Make sure they're down nice and low, nice and relaxed. Ready with the head? We're going to take it over to the right, back to center, take it to the left, bring it back to center, take it up high, bring it back to the center, take it down low, and bring it back to the center. One more time, take it to the right, to the center, to the left, to the center, take it up high, bring it back, and take it down low, and back to the center. Ready with the feet then? Let's change it and take it into toe taps. So nice regular breaths. Oh, got a lorry going past. And if you can manage it with the arms, let's take them into a bicep curl. So nice steady pace, remember, this is just the warm-up. Regular breaths, and we're going to change those feet again, and we're going to take them out to the side. Now again, if you can manage it, let's get the arms going as well. Now if that's too much, just pop your hands on your hips, keep the feet moving. Whatever you can manage, remember, okay? Let's get a few more of these done. And ready? We'll take it back to our march, bringing the arms into it, and we're going to take the feet out wide, bring them back to center. We're going to take them wide, to the center, and one more time, we're going to take it out wide, and back to the center. Ready? We're going to start slowing the feet down, and bring them to a stop again. Okay, so take them sort of shoulder width apart, roll those shoulders back for me so that you're standing nice and tall. Remember, belly button, pull it in slightly so those core muscles are engaged and being worked, and we're going to bring the arms out to the front. Now tuck your chin in slightly and try and reach as far as you can with those hands. Regular breaths, remember, don't hold your breath, so you're breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now gently bring your head back to the center, and we're going to start lifting your arms up gently, just to where it's comfy for you, remember. So we're stretching out that body and gently bringing it back down. And bring the arms towards you slightly. Now try and keep your hips facing forward, shoulders back, nice and relaxed. And we're going to take it over to the right, just to where it's comfy for you. Bring it back to the center. Take it over to the left. Bring it back to the center. One more time. Take it to the right. Back to the center. And to that left side one more time. And back to the center. Bring your arms down to the side then and relax them. Roll your shoulders back so you're nice and tall. So feet about hip width apart again. And this time we're going to take it straight down to that left side. Bring it back to the center. Take it down to the right side. And to the center. One more time. I'm going to take it round so that you can see what we're doing properly. Take it down. So I'm not leaning forward, I'm not leaning backwards, I'm straight down, bringing it back to center and down to that right side again. And bring it back up to the center. Lovely. Let's get the feet moving again then. Let's get the arms moving. And we're going to take it into a heel dig. So pop your hands on your hips and we're digging those heels into the floor. Now, if you can manage it, let's bring the arms into it and we're going to take it into a chest press. Bringing those elbows right back. So deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And ready, let's take it back to our march. And we're going to change the feet again, and this time we're going to take the feet backwards, taking the arms backwards as well. So if you can see what I'm doing there, just tapping backwards with the feet, taking the arms backwards as well. Good. So we should be starting to warm up a little bit by now. Let's get a few more of these done. And we're going to take it back to our march again. So we're going to slow the feet down a little bit and take them into a heel pump. So we're lifting one heel at a time. And what we're going to do is take that arm up, take it over that shoulder, and then use the opposite arm just to help with that little stretch there. And release. Same the other side. Let's take it up. And again, just to what you can manage, okay? And release. Keep that heel pump going. Nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And ready, we're going to bring the arm across the front this time and use the opposite arm just to help stretch out that shoulder. So we're keeping those heels pumping and release. Same the other side, bring it across and release. Let's get the feet moving again then. And we're starting to pick up the pace a little bit if you can manage it. And ready, we're going to take it into high knees. So lifting those knees up just to where it's comfy for you again, okay? Now if you can manage it, let's bring that little twist into the top, okay? So opposite hand, opposite knee. Now if that's too much, hands on the hips. And if you need to, grab hold of the back of a chair or the back of the settee. Just use that just to help your balance. And 3, 2, 1. Take it back to your march again then. And we're going to slow the legs down. And we're going to start stretching out these legs. So hand on your hips. We're going to take a step forward. Keep that front leg nice and straight. And we're going to sit back into that stretch. Breathing in through the nose. Releasing slowly through the mouth. And release. Take a couple of steps. Ready, step forward with the other leg. Sit back into it. Nice deep breaths. And release. Take a few steps for me again then. Now this time, make sure you've got room behind you. I'm fine here. And this time we're going to step backwards, okay? So that back leg is nice and straight. Heels dug into that floor, pushing down through the heels, leaning into that front one. Stretching up that calf muscle. And release. Take a couple of steps. Same with the other leg, remember? Step back, lean into that front one, shoulders back, hips forward. And release. Take a few steps. Ready? So we need to stretch out the front of the legs. So this time grab hold of the settee or the wall or something, okay? So stand nice and tall, shoulders back, belly button pulled in slightly, and we're going to bring that leg up. Think about your posture. So standing nice and tall, stretching out the front of that leg, and release. Now rotate that ankle around. Take it back the other way. And foot down. Take a few steps round. We'll do the same with the other leg. So again, remember, grab hold of the wall or back of the settee or a chair, something that you need, okay? And lift that leg up. Again, stand nice and tall, shoulders back, belly button pulled in, nice regular breaths. And release. Rotate that ankle. Take it back the other way. And foot down. Come on then, let's get those feet moving again. Let's get those arms pumping. Nice deep breaths. So we're breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. How am I going to take the feet out wide? Bring them back to centre. Let's take them wide to the centre. And one more time, let's take it wide. And back to the centre. Now then, ready? Let's bring the arms into it and we're going to start punching out. So keeping those feet moving, punching out with those arms. So breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Let's take it up high. Let's take it to the right. Let's take it over to the left. Let's take it down low. And back to the centre. Nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Ready? Let's pick up the pace a little bit then. So feet are moving a little bit faster. Arms are punching out a little bit faster. And let's take it up high. Let's take it to the right. Let's take it over to the left. Let's take it down low. And bring it back to the centre one more time. Keep those feet moving, keep those arms pumping. Nice regular breaths. Last 10 seconds then. Keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5. You know I get you every time. And 1. Let's slow it down gradually. Slow it down. Now keep those feet moving. Grab a little bit of water. Make sure you've got plenty of water on you. So keep those feet moving. So that's your warm-up done. Brilliant start. Okay, so I'm going to go off, reapply my lipstick, and I'll be back with the next video, which will be 6 exercises, same as the circuit that we do in the hall. Good start, everybody. Well done.